like me, the little guy. Just trying to hang it with the big guys. Wow, I felt that, baby. Oh my goodness. I totally felt that one. That was good. Oh, hell yeah, bro. That's what I got. Hey! Big. Happy 4th, bro. Yeah. Wow.
Hey nephew, how do you like controlling fireworks?
I love it.
You love it? Oh, his hat's
I
lit
thought
up.
I
didn't
could
know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. This is Dave. And thank you, guys. Best pyrotech around across the whole United States. And keep things abroad.
Oh, yeah.
And then you get
Ambulance on standby, bro?
No.
No? What is that?
I think it's a U-Haul.
Oh. I was like, damn, they got something.
But I'm gonna give it a few minutes. Oh, they all been doing